welcome back to Nandu's Creatives. It's a special day for us. Our channel has surpassed 1K subscribers! Yay! You know guys how my special day started? My parents gave me a surprise. Here you go, I'll show you the video.
Hi Nandu, you have a surprise. You reached 1,000 subscribers. Yeah. Congratulations. Here you go.
Congratulations.
One key play button.
This is our own play button.
This is my first milestone. When I started this channel, I only started with few subscribers. And at last, today, I am ending up with 1K subscribers. But I'm little disappointed that YouTube didn't give me a play button, so I created one. I'll show you. Not one, I have created two, but the first one didn't come really nicely. See? Yeah, you can tell me which is your favorite one. This I made it first. Then this I made it second. So type it in the comment box. Which one did you like the most? So this is the papery bronze play button I made for myself. I'm calling it papery bronze play button because it's made out of paper. See? So guys, I'm sharing a small thought for you all. Don't wait others to create happiness for you. You have to create it yourself. Just like I created my papery bronze play button. I like this the most. Then I like this. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all of you for supporting me through my YouTube journey. So guys, please keep supporting me and don't forget to tell in the comment box which play button you like the best. And so, bye.